Did you figure out how to bounce? Oh, jump, jump, jump! Look at you! Jump, jump. She finally figured out how to use her jumper. She had been just playing with all the fun stuff and didn't realize that she could jump. Yeah! Is that fun? Yeah! Bouncy, bouncy! Jump, jump, jump! You big girl! Hi! Hi, pretty girl! Is that fun? Yeah! That's so much fun working those muscles! Yay, Lila! Jump, jump, jump! Yay! Bounce, bounce! Oh! Yeah! So she's not even 5 months old and she's bouncing like a fool. Yeah! You got some serious springs. Not as springy as your brother, though. Yeah, your brother's got some hops. Where's Tucker? Where's Tucker? Where is he? Oh, so much fun. Jumpy, jumpy? Jumpy, jumpy? Yeah? Oh, 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 oh. Yay! Go, Lila! Yay! You're gonna jump right out of that thing. Yeah. Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye. Lila. Checking everything out. We'll see you later.